Namaste. So, as we all know that the world is going through a big flux, the human society is facing so many challenges. These challenges are related to natural environment, economy, relationship between countries, relationship between communities, relationship between neighbors, and also relationship within families. Plus health problems as well. Depression and emotional well-being, relationship with the self is also dropping. Why is this happening all across the world? It is actually said by a great wise man from India called Chanakya that it is the education which shapes the society, and I truly believe in it. Because whatever is the state of consciousness of humankind and each one of us is a sum total of all our beliefs, and beliefs come from knowledge or from other sources. So those beliefs which do not come from true knowledge could be the beliefs which are not in line with our well-being and harmony. So in this particular session that is really curated for students and faculty across colleges, and I've been conducting it across IITs and even polytechnics, government polytechnics in small towns, and across the spectrum of students, I have gathered common concerns that all students face. And if we as a society are able to solve these concerns of students and provide them true education which takes them from what I call animal consciousness, which is full of selfishness, fear, insecurities, and is unstable and unpredictable behavior and emotions. From there, we can move to stable, deterministic human behavior and independent self-conduct of my own emotions, my own well-being. So, what are those concerns that all students across my interactions shared with me? Okay, so here are these concerns. The first concern is competitive pressure. 90% students related with it. The second concern is fear of failure. Failure in career, financial failure, recognition and approval by others. Okay, this was again 60%. Third is self-worth. Self-worth is again related to approval by others and to recognition. Plus also what you think you are, right? Which could again be based on beliefs that are based on true facts, or it could be things that our students are imagining in their heads based on the environment they get, right? But self-worth was a fear shared by 90% of the students. This even leads to very tragic incidents even in India's premier colleges. This is a very serious concern. Then relationships in family and relationships in friends. Very interestingly, students were not sure if this is a problem at all. Maybe not enough attention has gone here. But parents disagree many times on this, okay? And this is what life teaches us. So we leave it as a question mark. Students were not clear about this. The last piece where I had the most resounding answer that yes, this is our concern was my emotions and my behavior. Okay, this was again 90% plus. How can I regulate my emotions and behavior? It's my concern. Okay, so these are the concerns of students. Now, in this single session workshop that I do, it's a very powerful and effective workshop where we go through understanding some basic things about what it means to be a human being, what is the purpose of a human being, every human being, and what is the meaning of success for a human being. Secondly, what are our needs to fulfill our purpose, where we explore the needs of physical facility and wealth, and the definition of wealth and the amount of wealth we need. Second is our relationships, and third is our understanding of things based on reality and truth. By ensuring these needs, we can actually achieve our purpose, which is nothing but harmony. We all want harmony inside ourselves, in our own thoughts, desires, expectations, feelings. Constant and stable harmony is what we need. Then this harmony extends to all our relationships, in our family, with our friends, with rest of society and rest of nature. We want harmony all the time. And in order to ensure this harmony, we have to get some facts right and get our beliefs right in place. So this is a very powerful 1 to 1.5 hour interactive session where I interact with the audience, students and faculty both, and together we explore what is naturally acceptable to us, what is meaning of success, what are our needs to fulfill that success, and thereby answers to these concerns come within that session. That how many of these concerns are actually not needed at all. They are false concerns. And at the end of the session, I have always seen faculty and students with really big smiles. So if you are interested to have this session in your institute, we are happy to conduct free sessions. Either it can be a scheduled visit to your campus, or it can even be an online session. Contact us to apply for it. There are limited seats, and hence the sooner you register, the earlier date you can get. Thank you.